Right now, I'm with my girl Bassie, and we're gonna tread for 20 minutes, running only, strictly running. About to get that summer bod. We're at 24 hours, so let's get it. So we just finished running. That's why my face got a bubble in my throat. I'm so red because I'm so pale. But we just finished running. We ran for like 15, 20 minutes, like 17 minutes, I think. How do you feel, Bassie? I don't think I'm supposed to be recording in here, so.
I know. I look good right now, though. Finally getting
we look sweaty, but you know what? It's all worth it. She got 24, so,
yeah, so
she's gonna be my new gym partner. Ozzy's still my gym partner. He just hasn't had the time. We're like one of those annoying people who record everything, but this is for YouTube.
So you better appreciate her.
So here we go. There's other people in here, so I'm gonna try and not get them in here because I'm sure they don't want to be in my video. Okay, so Bassie's gonna record me. We're gonna do some booty workouts and leg workouts today, so let's get it. Let's go, Bassie. Get up. Okay, so Bassie, I look like a giant and get in it.
My seat is like really low and I can't. Okay. So my first day working with Bryanna Romero. Yes, she's my personal trainer for a couple of weeks because I need to get back into shape. I literally get tired as fuck going up the stairs at school, so
do I. We both do.
Yeah, so we need to get back into shape, get our summer bod, spring break bod.
Yeah, today we did booty and legs, so I'm just gonna conclude this video. We look really crusty. Clearly we put in work if we're looking crusty. We both have eyelash extensions though, so we're still cute. Anyways, we're gonna conclude this video. Is this my first vlog that you're in?
Yes.
Hey, so
go follow me on
Is my vein popping
Twitter.
Or?
No. I don't even know my ads, but go stalk Bryanna's and find me, Cassandra, like with 3 A's and _4 or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, go like and follow her stuff.
Yes.
But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos of me doing like my workout routine, today was kind of like short. I don't even know if we did that many workouts.
We didn't, because I got tired as hell, and so.
And I'm just gonna mention like this is just some of the workouts I do. Like we kind of came late because she was actually signing up today.
Yeah.
So like we didn't get to get everything in. Usually I do like all those workouts and then plus some machines, but like I feel like it's kind of weird to record myself on the machines because like there's a lot of people there earlier.
And
then
right now there wasn't a lot, but
and like I don't really care what people think of me. Like like
it's just still weird.
It's just weird.
It's just weird because people are looking at you and it's like, okay, I can't record myself.
Yeah, next time someone looks at me and be like, I'm gonna be like, want to be in my vlog?
I know.
Okay, but anyways, I'm just gonna conclude this and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peace.
Peace, love, gym.